Talking? What's she saying? She's saying, hi, Carson. Say hi, Callie. She's a big talker today. She feels good finally, huh? Let's see if we can get a smile. Let's see if we can get a smile out of you, pretty girl. Ooh, smile.
I see it.
You want to see it? Can you see her? There she is. There she is. Can we get a smile, baby girl? Oh, there's our tongue. There's our tongue. There's our tongue. Big talker, huh? Want to give her a kiss, Carsey? Ooh, big talker. Want to go give her a kiss? Can you see? No, you don't need to hold it. No, I want to see you. Oh, okay, there was a happy girl. Go by her. I was doing both you guys, honey.
Wakey, wakey.
Yeah, she's wakey wakey.
Passy.
She doesn't need her passy. She's happy. Can I take your picture too? Whoa, crash. No, I can't take your picture too. Say okay, bye-bye, Callie. Okay.
Off.